What's going on, Big Bay family? It's your boy Big Man Joe, and today I kind of want to talk about how you can boost your chances of getting high limit credit cards on the business side. You know, whether you're making money, whether you're not making money, it's just what can help you. Like if you're just starting, like, cause I know a lot of people in this game, they're trying to get funding, but they don't really know where to start and they don't know what to do. But I kind of want to give some tips about what I did when I first started and about what things people weren't telling me, but I just had to figure out as time went on. But before I get into it, man, make sure y'all hit the like button, punch that subscribe button, and turn on notification bells, because y'all know what I'm doing, man. I'm dropping these videos for y'all, and I'm dropping game to y'all, so the least y'all can do is show your boy some love. All right, I'm not looking in the camera because my camera kind of weird, but y'all get the point, right? So, I want to talk about, first I want to talk about bank rating, because this is very important when it comes to getting funding, and it's going to help you a lot. And I'm going to talk about how you can get a high bank rating even if you don't really have money like that right now, right? And I know a lot of y'all watching, y'all already business owners, but a lot of y'all watching aren't necessarily business owners, but y'all do have an LLC, but y'all still can get funding, okay? So I always recommend when getting funding to have good credit, because you're gonna personal guarantee. But there's something called the bank rating that these banks look at, so that they can also factor in when giving you funding. All right, so this is basically like with bank ratings, they have low 4, mid 4, high 4. They have a low 5, mid 5, and high 5. I don't know the exact numbers, but I don't want to give y'all the wrong numbers. But I always recommend people, I'm gonna leave the list of it right here, but I always recommend people to have a low 5 bank rating. And the reason I recommend people to have a low 5 bank rating is because when you go to these banks, they see what you have in your bank account. And a low 5 bank rating is having a minimum of $10,000 in your bank for 90 days, right? At least 90 days, okay? So it's like from 10,000 all the way up to 39,000. After you get to 40,000, you're gonna have a mid 5. Okay, so if you have at least $10,000 in your bank account for at least 90 days, you get a low 5 bank rating. And when you get a low 5 bank rating, it's showing them that, okay, they keep money in their bank account. And these banks, they basically lend out your money, right? So if you have $10,000 in your bank, they can lend up to 10 times that amount. So if you put 10,000 in your bank account, they can lend out 100,000. So obviously the more money you have, the more likely they're willing to do business with you, okay? Because you're helping them do business, right? Banks make money off of your money at the end of the day, right? That's why I teach y'all how to make money off of their money at the same time, right? We're using the same game. So you basically put $10,000 in your bank account. So let's say you don't have $10,000 to put in your bank account. What you got to do is you have to use one of your personal credit cards, okay? So let's say you're new to the game, you got an LLC. If y'all on this channel, y'all got credit cards, y'all got high limit credit cards. I'm giving y'all the game on how to get high limit credit cards from these different credit unions, whether it's DCU, Navy Federal, Penn Fed, PSECU, even though I don't have it anymore because, you know, they had the situation with they closed down account. But you can still use these credit unions even if they might shut you down eventually. They because, you know, some of these credit unions are doing that, but it's okay because you can utilize them before that even ever happens, right? Places like FNBO are going crazy with shutting people down, but that's neither here nor there. But again, right, you can get a credit card, right? Like I said, you guys are on this channel, y'all know to get credit cards, and y'all know we utilize credit cards so we can get more money. All right, so you can, if let's say you go to DCU and they give you a $15,000 credit card, the first thing you want to do is liquidate that credit card. You got 15,000, you can liquidate, let's say 12,000 on it, right? You can liquidate $12,000 on that credit card, right? So you can liquidate, it's different ways. You can liquidate by setting up ADP. You can set up ADP and pay yourself through ADP, but you know, that's going to cost some fees, but it's okay, right? When you're trying to get more funding, it's okay when you're doing that. But I also have methods on how you can liquidate your credit card by basically MSing, manufacturer spending. Or I don't want to talk too much about that on here, but I do have an ebook about how you can basically liquidate your credit cards. And you can earn rewards, free travel, right? You can earn whatever. You can get that intro bonuses on credit cards. You can do whatever. But I basically show y'all how to liquidate it in my ebook down below. It's basically saying how to get free rewards and travel. But you liquidate that credit card, whether it's through Square, ADP, You know, they got QuickBooks. You can liquidate through QuickBooks. And you can liquidate with manufacturer spending. So let's say you get $12,000 of credit card. I say 12,000, okay? You get 12,000 off your credit card, put it in your business bank account. Once you put it in your business bank account, you want to leave that in there for 90 days. But while you're leaving that money in your bank account, of course, you're going to have a minimum payment, right? And if you're using a personal credit card to liquidate this credit card, your credit score is going to drop temporarily because your utilization is going to go up. But it's always temporary. Why? Because you're going to pay it back, right? This money is not to spend. This money is to sit in your bank account. So you want to put this money in your business bank account. Once you put it in your business bank account, you want to make the minimum payment. You're going to be making a minimum payment with that same money that you put in there. So you put $12,000 in there. Let's say you put $12,000 in there. Your minimum payment probably going to be $250, $300, right? You can pay $300 per month, right? For 1 month, you pay $300. The next month, you're going to pay $300. The next month, you're going to pay $300. That's a total $900. You know, that's an estimate. But that money is coming from the money you already took out. And usually when you get a credit card, they usually have intro APRs of 0% for 12 months. So you're not even paying interest on it at the same time. And if you use my methods, you're actually going to make money from liquidating your credit card. So you're going to pay that payment for 3 months or 90 days. And once you're done, at the end of that 90 days, you're going to have a low 5 bank rating, okay? Now you pay your credit card off, all right? So now you pay your credit card off, your utilization goes down, and the credit card company that you use, on top of it, it's a gem too. The credit card that you use, they see that you used $10,000, $12,000 and you paid it back within 3 months. They're going to be like, whoa, they paid that back pretty fast. So we can give him more money. All right, so now y'all can know that y'all can get an increase on that. Now you can probably increase that to 20,000, 25,000, whatever they increase you to, because they see that you paid back 12,000 in a quick time. So now you paid that 12,000 back, and now you got a low 5 bank rating, right? Now you can go to this lender. They see that you have low 5 bank rating because you had 10,000 in your bank account for at least 90 days. Now you can use your personal credit to guarantee a business credit card, right? And they're going to lend you $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 just because you have a low 5 bank rating in your business account. All right. Now, of course, you want to have decent credit, but having this bank rating is going to boost your chances of getting approved. Okay. This is going to boost your chances, right? If you got a decent credit score, if you got all that, that's good, right? And I say 680 above, 680 FICO, you know, whether it's Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion, no negative, no charge-offs, low utilization. Like I said, you pay your credit card back off, so your utilization is gonna go down. So now you want to go into these institutions. Now they see that you have that high bank rating. Now you can apply for these credit cards and you can go get that bag, right? So that's just some little sauce for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be coming back with more. Y'all leave down in the comments what y'all want to talk about next, and I'm gonna keep giving it to y'all, right? This is how you get to it. If you're new to business, if you don't have a business, if you're not having money, if you're not making money, this is a technique that you can use so that you can look better to these lenders. All right, it's your boy Big Bank Joe. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Always remember, the top ain't going nowhere. You just got to get there. Let's get it.
Had to go and get it. Steady grinding just behind the scenes. I've been on a mission. Gotta touch him by any means.
Said we can go eye for eye.